to Lazy Gadgets. Today, another NERF mod. I said that 100 times. Feels like Thunderblast mod. Not really a mod. I just kept the grip, the upper part, and the stock, which is foldable, by the way. Before I forget, it makes it look like a freaky assault rifle. And yeah, loading hatch. None of this will appear in the first part. The first part takes care of the fire mechanism. You will be able to make your own after this if you know how to handle metals and stuff. Some tools. But yeah, it shows the firing mechanism and the test shots. Test shots made me change it to what you see right here. The barrel, the first barrel was round, not square, and you will see why in the second part. But let's take care of the how-to first, and here we go. This is the original blaster, and now we have to get in this tube, which is the perfect diameter for our little rockets here. And I already prepared this one, the cartridge with a tiny CO2 tank and a filler tube, just a spacer tube actually. I'll show you that a bit later, but now let's open it up and see how we do it. And the first hurdle, you can't really take off the tip, so I guess we have to cut it off, and then we can open it, because this looks senseless. So yeah, off with his head. And what looked okay 2 seconds ago, not even close. So I have to make an adapter. We'll turn it on my lathe. I must be drunk. I could swear it did fit well and totally okay, but no. Poop. Just like this. And now, oh yeah, and now this, and now I can screw it in place and go from there. Black spaces will make sure it's on the right height. And now, well, maybe we should put it in, and we can correct it a bit if we need to, but it looks good. Oh yeah, goes in right there. The ring is holding just the right spot, and on the inside you can see, I see it, the eye of the tiger right on spot. Perfect. Now we can build it in. Now we can put it in and make the fire mechanism. The piston is in place, and now the rear cap, which is also part of the locking mechanism, and the trigger seems to work fine. And now we have to make a catch for him, just like this. And now, booyah, bam. And oh yeah, I have to make a priming something. Yeah, that's kind of Yeah, that's a challenge. I forgot it. Let's make a priming pin handle real quick and go from there. But as you can see, it's almost done. This will, you feel the hit, feel the punch. So more than enough punch for this little CO2 tank to pop and foosh away. So I finish this and put it in here and show you what it looks like when it's really done. See you in a bit. Don't try this at home. Seriously. Fun fact, not all parts on NERF are made of ABS. This is clearly not ABS. Tried to glue it, and now I had to bolt it on because this stuff is melting like ice cream in the sun. This is totally unaffected by the special super expensive glue I bought. Thanks, Hasbro. Awesome. So yeah, that's the grip. Slides right on. Looking good so far. Sits on the slide, sits on the secondary useless barrel. Ready for the next step. And when you believe it's all going fine and good, it's pretty much together, and as you can see the finishing line, you're like, how do you want to load it? You want to shove the little missile right down here? No! So yeah, I had to cut open the barrel to make sure you can reload this in an easy way. And yeah, I will work on this now and finish it, probably make it a hatch or something like that, and you will see it when I'm done. Hours from now, so here we go. Test fire 2. Test fire 2. I can see you. Attached, and it opens and closes and opens and closes and so on. And now let's put it back on.